Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Princess Isabel from Disney's Elena of Avalor. So let's get started. To draw cute Isabel, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically start with the bottom of a U. I'll come to the other side, about right here, and connect it. The bottom. There, so I have a nice soft bottom of a U. Then I'll come back to where I started on this edge and draw a circle for her eyes. And same thing on the other side. So right here. And let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. So thank you cuties for all your love for my drawing of Princess Elena. So I figured if you loved her that much, you would want me to draw her sister, Princess Isabel. So hopefully you love her just as much as Elena. And definitely let me know in the comments below what other princesses you would love me to draw for you. And lines at the bottom. There. Okay, so then let's spruce up the eyes. I'm going to come right back here inside and just add two simple lashes. So just two curves. Same thing over here. And let's give her some, let's give her a brow. So about right here, just got a soft curve, soft arc over her eye. And same thing right across. So we're right here. And slightly thicken it up. Okay, so then now let's give her a sweet smile, of course. So right in the center, about right here. Just go ahead and draw a sweet smile and cap it off. And so then now let's just imagine her head as an oval. So about right, let's say about here. Give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to start right here with a curve that comes down to where we started. Because her hair part's right in the center. But before I draw the other side, I'm going to come right here and draw this signature strand of hair that she has that comes down. So right here, I'm just going to draw this strand first. And whatever space I have left, I'm just going to go ahead and draw the curve to connect, just like the other side. Okay, so then, like I said, her hair part's in the center, so I'm just going to give myself a soft line first. And let's go up about right here, nice and full. And about right here, I'm just going to start to curve down on both sides. Okay, so before I do that, I forgot I need to draw this strand right here. So let's come right here from the center, and I'm going to pop out with this bigger strand of hair that she has on the side. And let's bring this down. Give it a few waves and then out, and bring it right back in. Just going to tuck it right back in. And then on this side, let's draw her ear. So right where her eyes are, about in this area, I'm going to draw her ear. So it's a soft curve. Bring it in. And then for some details, just two curves inside. Okay, so no ear on this side because we won't be able to see it. So let's come back to her hair. And about right here, I'm just gonna wobble softly and just tuck it in. And so on this side, same thing, just wobble. And we're just gonna bring it right back to here. And then for some details, draw some strands that come out. It's just so much harder to do it with a Sharpie. I hate doing it with a Sharpie. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it as is until I color it. Before we draw the rest of her hair, let's come back and draw her body first. So right underneath in the center, I'm gonna give her this little neck right here and here. And I'm gonna bring it down her shoulder. And because she has these poofy sleeves, I'm not going to round it off as usual. So I'll just stop about right here because I know this is kind of where I want to stop and start the sleeve. So I'm going to come right here and just bring down a curve. So we're going to just frame in her bodice area. Then let's come right here and finish off her neckline right here. So I'm going to come right here and here. And then connect right in the center. And I'll draw another one to thicken it up for some detail. Okay, so then from there, let's bring this down a little bit more. Just my usual angle for the body. And then about right there, I'm going to connect it. A curve, and right here I'll draw another curve for the band on her dress, and then we can start her dress part, her skirt part. So let's pop this out, and we're going to bring this all the way down. Okay, let's keep going. So let's draw her hands first before I figure out how long to bring this down. So let's come back up here and I'm going to poof out her sleeves. Give it a little wobble. About here. And then we're going to connect it. Give it a little cuff right here to create that sleeve. And then you can come in here with some curves for some creases, some detail. And then her hands. So I'll bring her hands to say about, imagine her legs. So about right here. So let's bring this out. About right here. I'm going to give her a thumb. And then her fingers. And if you like, you can tuck in a little pinky right there at the back. So let's do the same thing on the other side. Poof up her sleeve, give it a little wobble, and right here. And connect. So same thing. Okay, so in this area, about right there. Okay, so thumb and fingers. And a little one in the back. There, finally done. Okay, so then now that we have that in, we can better gauge how long to make her skirt. So let's Bring this down a little bit more. And now that it's pretty even, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a wobble right across. And notice the center part is lower, so it's going up. And then we're going to come right here, pop out another layer of her skirt. And do the same thing. Just go ahead and connect. We'll wobble right across. There. And then let's come back in here, draw some crease. And now her legs. So right in the center. About here and here. Okay, so let's work on this one first. It's nice and straight. About that much. Let's bring this down a tiny bit more. Okay, so if you're using a pencil, go ahead and just draw her feet. But since I'm using a Sharpie, I'm going to stop about right here and draw this bow that's on her shoe. And then I'm going to pop out her feet. Give it a little soft point, and then right here, curve for her shoes. So, same thing over here, but with a slight angle. So the legs are about the same, so let's come down to the same area. And about right here, where the bow is, I'm going to come to this side now. So her shoe is more angled out. And I'm going to give her a little pop out right here. We're still ending at the same area. So let's come down. So if this part is too hard, definitely just draw it exactly like this on the other side. But thought maybe just change it up a little bit. Put a bow right here for the other foot. And now let's finish off her hair. So let's come about right here in this area, and I'm just gonna kind of tuck in her back of her hair. So let's come right here. Give her one strand of curl, come up. And let's give her the strand. Let's see. One strand, and then continue because her hair is really long. So about right here, let's just tuck in another strand and finish it off. Okay, so same thing over here. So about right here. And then can pop it out. And about right here. Give another curl and then in. And then just like the other side, about right here, since just to make it easier, I just put in a curve. And if you like, you can add some details in here for the strands. Or you can do that when you're coloring. And let's see. Am I missing anything else? You can add some creases here if you like, nice and light. And that is pretty much it. I really hope I helped you draw Princess Isabel from Disney's Elena of Avalor. And, oh, you know what? I did forget something. Right here. Oh, goodness. There's another detail right here on both sides. Okay, so now we're really done. So I really hope, like I said, that I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me to draw Princess Isabel. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.